Hey everybody, Dr. Rick here. Thanks for joining us again. So our project today is we're going to take and steal the air sensors, the TPMS off the existing Jeep here. We got a flat tire a few weeks ago, Memorial Weekend, and so we bought some used ones. We didn't want to take and go get brand new tires because we're actually going to do a lift kit and stuff like that down the road. But the people, they actually never broke down the inside, and they broke down the outside to get their TPMS out here, so we're going to take them out of here. So we got to steal the TPMS out of this tire, and so one thing we do is use kind of a makeshift bead breaker here. I get this real close to the rim, and then we're going to have somebody, of course, we took the valve core out so we can actually let the air out. We're going to have someone stand on the rim. Go ahead, stand on the rim here. We got a 8-point socket to go into here to make it a little easier. We are going to take and strip it out a little bit. Okay, as you can see, that broke the rim loose. So let's step on this, back it off. So this is our work zone here. There we go. So we're just doing this to smash the tire down so we can actually have more room. Okay. So we got a T10 bit, a little screw right here. So I'm just loosening it up. Take this off and use the bit in my hand now, trying to work it down and out. There we go. So we got the sensor here. Now we're going to take and pull the valve stem out. So I'm using just Windex. More soapy water is actually better and preferred because we want to make sure we're getting it lubed up, but I usually just find what I have laying around. There's some more here. Okay, give me the other board. And don't go too fast, you just want to work it in and out here. There you go. So we got both pieces now. So we're going to pause for a minute here. We're going to set the other tire up here, and we'll be back. We're back. We're going to take and put our spacers back in here. Put a little more lube on this. Okay, and we just the board so I don't put too much pressure on it. There we go. Gonna use leverage in my advantage. Give me the socket wrench. Okay, so I'm gonna get that lined up. It is actually slotted. Give me the ratchet, please. So I went to the tire store today. They wanted $40 a sensor, or they would have broke down the tire for $10, $10, $12. Broke down this tire for $10, $12, and then charged $14 to put the sensor in. That would have been times 4, of course. And they didn't have time to do it for 3 days. They're so busy too. That was kind of impressive. So I'm probably in the wrong business anymore. I'm in healthcare, and of course, it's not the same. There we go. So it was tight. Just kept slipping because of the angle. So we'll pop these out. So now we got to put the valve core back in here, which most people know how to do this. Last thing I'm going to do before we get up, I'm just going to put a little lube here to actually get the bead to seat a little better, even faster. So as you can see, it's taking pretty good. So if I had any trouble, I'd take the valve core out again and try to, that way I get more air in, but I didn't think we'd have much trouble. So we're at about 15 pounds right now. Start going for there it goes. And let it sit. There it goes. Okay, so anyways, that's how you do it. So, was I not only interested in not waiting 3 days to get them to do this? It's not that hard of a job, so we'll get it done, get it out of the way. Thanks for joining us. Remember, like, subscribe, give us some positive feedback, and we'll talk to you on the next project.